Hi, this is Jennifer from VirtualPBX, and today I'll be showing you how to enable the call recording features on your dashboard. Please note that call recording in Dash does not provide any legal disclaimer when enabled by default. Customers wishing to use this feature should update their system greetings or ringback audio to comply with their local and state regulations or laws. If your incoming call handling settings bypass the virtual receptionist, please work with our support team to ensure that your calls are being recorded appropriately. Now, the first step that you want to make in order to enable call recording is to select users. Then you want to scroll down to the user that you want to enable this feature for. Go to User Features. Select the call recording feature. And then toggle this feature from disabled to enabled. Then you want to read the info box and then close it out. And then you want to click on for the types of calls that you wish to be recorded. Please note that internal calls are calls placed within your Dash account, i.e. user to user, and external calls are calls that are made to and from people outside of your Dash account. Then you want to select the format that you want your calls to be saved as, and then you want to save the changes. And now you should see that the customized call recording is highlighted in green. And then if you want to enable this feature for some groups, you do the same thing under users but under groups. Select the group that you want to enable this feature for. Go to Group Features. Select Call Recording. Toggle from disabled to enabled. Read the info box. Make sure that it is being saved in the format you'd like, and then save the changes. Once you have the call recording feature in place for all of the groups and users that you want to have this feature for, you can go to recordings.virtualpbx.com, and here you will find all of the call recordings that have been saved. If you want to download them, just select on the call recording that you want to download. You can find it under caller ID, the phone that it was made from or to, or the date and time that the call was recorded on, and then you will be able to download it from there. And there you have it. That is how you enable call recording on your dashboard. Have a great day.